Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to show you a very important indicator that works with Bitcoin on the Bitcoin chart very well, and it can be used to determine the upcoming bearish or bullish trends, and it can be also used to determine very well whether the Bitcoin is going to end this bull run or it will be continued. So let's start the analysis, but if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can also find the link I've shared in the video's description. So let's move to the chart. First of all, I want to show you this live weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that after this powerful bull run, the price action is moved to this cloud, and you can see that this green cloud is the Ichimoku bullish cloud, and this indicator is the Ichimoku indicator, and this is the lagging span of this cloud, and this blue line is the conversion line, and this red line is the baseline. Let me to make it more visible for you. This is a conversion line and this is the baseline. Now, when this conversion line crosses down this baseline above the candlesticks, that is the bearish signal, the sell signal. And when this lagging span crosses down the candlestick, that is another bearish signal. And once the candlesticks cross down this cloud, this Ichimoku bullish or bearish cloud, that is a very strong sell signal. And when this lagging span eventually, because it happens at the end when the candlestick crosses down this Ichimoku cloud, and after that this lagging span also crosses down this Ichimoku cloud. So that is a very strong sell signal, and after that for the long term, at least from 6 months to 2 years, the price action moves under this Ichimoku cloud, and you can see that the price line is moved very close to this bullish cloud, and this cloud can also work as a very strong support as well, especially when it is bullish. And we can see that it is bullish, but here where we have this candlestick, it is very weak, so it is easy for the price line to cross down the bearish cloud. But if the cloud is bullish and it is weak like it is here, then it can be also worked as a weak support. So we need to keep an eye on this move of the price line, whether the price line on the weekly time frame chart will cross down this Ichimoku cloud or not. Because if it will be crossed down, then we can expect up to from 6 months to 2 years bearish rally, bearish move. Let me just show you the previous history of the Bitcoin, for example, here back in 2019 here, and the price action cross down this Ichimoku cloud here in December 2019. Then we can see after crossing down this Ichimoku cloud, here the candlesticks moved up, and that was the period of 175 days, almost 6 months. And before that, after ending this bull run of 2017, when the price action crossed down this Ichimoku cloud here, and then we can see that here the candlestick crossed up this cloud, and that was a period of more than 385 days, more than a year. And before that, back in 2013, after the bull run of 2013, the price action crossed down this cloud here, and that was the period. You can see that here the candlestick was entered in this cloud, and here the candlestick crossed up this cloud again. That was more than 574 days, approximately 2 years, you can say. So at this time we are again very close to this Ichimoku cloud, but the Ichimoku cloud is still bullish. For example, if we watch the previous trend of this 2017, then it was giving us the future prediction that here it was predicting that the trend will be bearish. But so far we can see that Ichimoku cloud is giving us the prediction for the future is bullish. At the same time, if we take a look at the same weekly time frame chart here, then the price line is also having very nice support of 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. It is moved above this 50 simple moving average. And now you can also take a look at this oscillator. The stochastic is also oversold. That is giving us the clear signal that the market is oversold. And once it will be started turning bullish, then the price action can also move to the upside with this oscillator, the stochastic oscillator. And look at this, the MACD is giving us the weak buying signal. Like for example, previously it was very strong bearish here and turn bullish and again turn bearish, and now it is again giving the buying signal. Even though this is the weak buying signal, however, soon it can be turned bullish. Like previously we had such signals here when we received this strong sell signal here. Then it again gave us the weak buying signal. It was turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and we had a very big nice rally towards the upside. And before this we received such signal here when it was very strong bearish and turned weak bearish. That was also a weak buying signal, and we had a very nice rally towards the upside. So same as like that, at the moment we can see that it is turned weak bearish, and we are also having the stochastic in the oversold zone. Therefore it can be a very good support for the price line that can stop the price action to cross down this Ichimoku bearish bullish cloud. Even though this is weak, but we have very nice support of the oscillator, and we are also having the weak buying signal on the weekly time frame chart by the MACD. Therefore the price line can also start the move towards the upside from here by using this Ichimoku cloud as a very good support. Now if we move to the daily time frame chart from here, then we can see whenever the price line is finding Ichimoku cloud as a weak cloud, then it is crossing up and starting the rally towards the upside. For example, here previously when the price action was moving below this Ichimoku cloud, you can see here the price action was below this Ichimoku cloud, and here the price action found this cloud very weak, and the price action crossed up this cloud and started a very big rally towards the upside. And before this the price action was stuck here on the daily time frame in this Ichimoku cloud, and here the cloud was very weak, you can see, and the price action was successful in crossing up this Ichimoku cloud. Now let's move to the current situation, and here we can see that this time again the Ichimoku cloud here, it is very weak. You can see even though it is bearish on the daily time frame, but here it is very weak. And once the price action will be moved here, and we can see these are the dates from 3rd of August to 7th of August, then it will be a very great opportunity for the price action to break out this Ichimoku cloud. And once the price line will be a move above this Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame, then on the weekly time frame it can be also save itself to cross down this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame as well. So we need to keep eyes on this Ichimoku cloud with the combination of the oscillators like MACD and the stochastic, and also this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. We are having very nice support of this 50 simple moving average, and you can see the candlesticks are being accumulated above this 50 simple moving average. So once the price line will be able to save itself from this crossing down this Ichimoku cloud, then this cloud can push the price action. It can work as a very strong support, and we can have the continuation of this big bull run. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.